The story you are about to hear is based upon true events. The names of the characters have been changed for privacy reasons. Welcome to the Authenticators Anonymous.
My name is Raf.
Hi Raf, and welcome to the Authenticators Anonymous.
I have a problem. More specifically, an authentication problem. I used to love the cloud and all the opportunities that it offered me. Until the day my SalesForce account was accessed by unauthorized users. Everywhere on the internet I used the same password, better known as my master password. They broke into my account by using this master password. Unfortunately, a site where I used this master password to win an Apple iPhone unintentionally exposed my password to every user on the internet. My master static password was then used by internet pirates to enter the SalesForce site, where I used the same password and username as in the site that exposed my credentials. They used my account to do illegal transactions and steal a lot of corporate data. Our story made it all over the news, giving us a bad reputation, leading to a big financial loss for me and my company. The cybercrime unit of the police did a manhunt to find the real criminals. The criminals used a lot of tricks to disguise them. But luckily the cybercrime unit were able to find the real villains. So my name was cleared. But the financial loss we suffered was never recovered. So I had to change all the passwords of all my internet accounts to avoid further loss, leaving me with a ton of passwords that I need to remember for all my different online accounts. Now I was scared of doing business on the internet, since pirates still have the ability to capture my password, using Trojan horses, phishing, man-in-the-middle attacks and other dirty tricks. And then I met VASCO. VASCO is the #1 company in securing online gaming and banking. I use VASCO technology almost every day to get access to my online banking portal. VASCO offers a solution using a dynamic password. A password that changes every time you need to authenticate. It is like a slots machine in a casino, that on every try is generating a new combination. This VASCO solution is based upon two-factor authentication. A factor could be something you have, like a key. Something you are, like your fingerprints. Or something you know, like a PIN code or a password. In two-factor authentication, two factors generate your dynamic password. In that sense, internet pirates would need to get access to both factors for doing a successful identity theft. Two-factor authentication is most of the time abbreviated as 2FA. This solution from VASCO is called the VASCO DIGIPASS. A small hardware device that you need to have and a PIN code that you need to know, resulting in a two-factor authentication solution. The small hardware device can also be a software running on your mobile phone. These devices let you generate a login code, better known as a one-time password, that is valid for a limited amount of time. To use this DIGIPASS I needed an authentication software. But I didn't want to install a software. I wanted an authentication service that runs in the cloud, that offers a single sign-on with the use of a DIGIPASS. But this was only available in my dreams. Until today. Because now I can use DIGIPASS as a service to authenticate to my cloud applications like SalesForce, This is a cloud-based authentication service offered by VASCO, so no software installation is needed. What did I needed to do to get this DIGIPASS as a service for me and my company? I needed to buy a DIGIPASS pack for SalesForce. This pack enabled me to set up accounts on DIGIPASS as a service and link them to other cloud applications, where I wanted to use two-factor authentication and single sign-on. So today I love the cloud again, thanks to VASCO and DIGIPASS as a service.